people don't respect my time. So today is December 22nd, and today I have two clients coming in, one for a volume full set and another one for a volume full set. So it's gonna be a short day, but it's gonna be a day of profit. Today I am making cha-ching. I love doing lashes because they give me a good amount of money. So in 2 sittings I get to make about $300, so that is awesome. It's a rainy day in New England today. Look at my windows. Today I'm just wearing all black with my cute little fuzzy slippers. Y'all know how I do. All the way professional, but it's my business, so I have to put my personal touch into it. And I'm dressed pretty simple. My hair is simple, just a ponytail, get my hair out of the way. Of course, I'm gonna be wearing a face mask because COVID is crazy right now. I have my 2 gifts for my clients. Y'all know that it is December and I'm giving away a goodie bag for everyone who booked on the week of Christmas. They love to get these kind of goodie bags. Y'all want to see what the goodie bags have? I'm going to show y'all. So in this goodie bag, we have a purifying grapefruit sheet mask. There's 2 of them in there. Then my neighbor is an TLC distributor, so we just put some samples of that in there. We have a rose exfoliating body bar from my other brand, which is Secure Fashion Beauty, and I made this myself. There's petals in this bar. A bath bomb, a beard balm. I mean, not a beard balm, it's actually a beard shaper. They can give this to their husbands, their sons, or their father, kind of like a stocking stuffer. A little chocolate, and my business card. All right, you guys, so it is like 2:12 and my customer doesn't get here until 2:30, and my customer is Dominican just like me, so they're probably gonna get here late. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you guys what I got for Black Friday, because I've been saying that I'm gonna show you and I haven't, so let's show you now. So the first place that I ordered from was from Paris Lash Academy. I absolutely love Paris Lash Academy. It's where I order all of my lash supplies, but they've also started to have skincare, and I've been wanting to give their skincare a try. So I ordered a pack of all the PLA Hydro Jelly Mask. So I've already opened this one. This is the aloe one. I actually used it to do a butt facial and a vajacial, and I loved it. And it smells so good. I got a lot of different types. I got the Pour Me a Glass of Rose. So this is like their rose one. I got the cherry one. This one is called Cheer Up Cherry. I also got the gold one. This one is called Gold Digger. I got the Call the Repairman. That's the black mask. I got the Live, Love, Laugh Hydrogel Mask. This one I guess is the lavender one. And I got the Remember Your Roots Hydrogel Mask. And I guess this one is made from roots, as you can see, like papaya maybe. Oh, it's actually turmeric, so it's a brightening one. So I got all those masks. I also got the henna activator because I am loving the PLA henna. It's super duper pigmented. I highly recommend it. And I got 2 adhesives. These are the Halo adhesives, and they are amazing for people with sensitive eyes. And then as a free gift, they gave me this tape. They always give free gifts, you guys. I'm just putting this back in the cart because this is gonna go on my spa or my facial caddy. So I need to buy a cart and I need to start building that. Slowly but surely. Y'all know we're growing business. So then the next place that I got something from was Lovely US. My friend, which is kind of like a mentor to me. She's been lashing for like 4 years, so I asked her for a lot of advice, and she's actually teaching a lash class. I will insert her information right here if you're interested in learning more about her lash class if you're in the Boston area. But yeah, so she told me about Lovely US. This is the adhesive that she has, and they actually had like a 50 or a 40% off. So I decided to give their adhesive a try, and let me tell you, it's the adhesive that I've been using, and so far I've been having the best retention that I've ever had. But it could also be because I've been getting a lot of feedback and advice from her, as well as from my other friend Izzy, who's my lash artist, and I've been applying that, and the combination of the tips and the new things and the new methods that I have been learning alongside this adhesive, this is the Elite 5 ml adhesive from Lovely US. Amazing retention. And I've also got some colorful lashes for those people that want to experiment. I didn't get any crazy sizes. I got 11 and 14. So if someone wants a volume set, I can add some color at the end or some colors on the insides for the 11s. So that is all I got for Black Friday. Nothing crazy because I have so much stuff already, but I wanted to take advantage of a few things, and I love everything that I got. So this is the disinfectant machine that I use to disinfect my tweezers. These have been in here for a while now, like maybe, they're hot, maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes. So I'm taking them out, and basically the concept of this machine, I'm sorry for the lighting, I'm going against the sun right now, but there's like little glass balls here, and they heat up, and I guess they kill all the germs. But I always disinfect them in the nighttime before closing down shop, and in the morning before I take my first client. I just want to talk about 2 things that are super important when you are a lash tech, and the first thing is to keep your glue in a air sealed shut container. I think that's the name of it, but basically like a container, like a mason jar or something like that, something that can't get air inside of it. I'm gonna show you guys. Let me see if I could open it with one hand. Yep, wow, I did it. So I have my glues stored in here. This is the glue that we are going to be using This is the glue that we are going to be using today. It's the Elite Lovely US glue. And every day before you take your first client, I highly recommend that you shake your glue. This is my glue shaker, which I got on Amazon, and I'll link below. And I'm just going to put my glue on it just like this. And I'm gonna shake it for 2 minutes. This is super important for the adhesive. This also helps with the retention of your client's lashes. Everything needs to be shooken up. All those ingredients separate when they're sitting overnight or overtime. So you always have to shake it 2 minutes at the start of your day, and I shake it every 15 minutes before I use a new glue drop. Every 15 minutes I give it a good shake. And maybe that's why I've been having amazing retention as well. Try these tips. I promise you that they work. And I learned these tips from the Paris Lash Academy. I learned these tips from the Paris Lash Academy course. That is the course that I took. And they always talk about this as well on the groups. I'm a part of a lot of Facebook groups for lashing. So this is nothing new if you are a lash artist. These are her lashes. This is the before. Her lashes came out beautiful. I love them. Yeah, so I just finished lashing her and I went ahead and ate. And I didn't show you guys because the girl's hungry. My stomach was growling, but I'm gonna show you guys what I ate. So my friend is in the beginning stages of starting like her own little catering company. See, Casey Delights, and I ordered lasagna from her. Look at that, yummy in my tummy. So that is what I just had for lunch. Now I'm gonna run downstairs to my mom's house because my son is down there, and I'm gonna just say hi and chill until my next appointment. My next appointment is at 6 o'clock. This is her before, and I will show you guys her after. Morning, you guys. So it is literally the next day. As you can see by my outfit, I have a different scrub top on, and today I have 2 clients. So today I have a client named Natalie. She's getting hybrids, and then I have a client named Molly, and she is getting hybrids as well. Hybrids are $135. They both paid $35 deposits, so all they need to pay me is $100 when they come in. So it is now 9:06 and my client is late, and I'm only coming on here to reinforce the reason why I'm going to add a late fee. Anybody who's over 10 minutes late has to pay $15, point blank period, because people don't respect my time. And once again, this is my outfit. I'm just wearing a regular scrub top, some black leggings, and my little fuzzy slippers. Nothing crazy. And per usual, I have their little gifts. Kind of repetitive, but I want to show you guys consistency is key. So I'll show you guys the before and afters of their lashes as well. Hey my loves, so it is the end of the day of day 2 of this vlog. I just finished editing it, and I just want to say a few things before I wrap up the video. So today I'm having a really hard day because, as you guys saw, I lashed 2 girls today, and one of the girls, which was the hybrid set, she told me that she liked her set, but I didn't feel like she liked her set. You know what I mean? So I've been kind of like beating myself up mentally because I take my work very, very seriously, and I want every single person that leaves my studio to leave happy, and I want to feel like I did a good job, and I don't feel like I did a good job. So, you know, I'm trying to talk myself into the fact that this is part of business. Like, as long as 85 to 90% of clients are happy, that's what matters. But I want all my clients to be happy. So yeah, she didn't tell me that she didn't like them. She actually told me that she did, but I don't know, I just like didn't feel like she did. Her vibes didn't make me feel like she liked them like that. So like always, I beat myself up. I am my own worst critic, so I am struggling with that after doing the lash set. And then I was touching base with another client that I did a few days ago, maybe 4 days ago, and all her lashes fell out, and that really got me feeling some type of way because I'm like, what did I do? I've been putting everything into practice and making sure that I attach the lashes really, really well. And then I'm talking to this client and I'm like, what kind of cleanser do you use? And she uses the CeraVe hydrating cleanser, which has ceramides and hydrating oils in it. So there's nothing that I did wrong. The client aftercare wasn't on point. So I say that to say this: buy your Lash Tech's Lash aftercare kit. Like, you should only be using lash shampoo on your lashes. Your face cleanser is not for your lashes. If you plan on having longevity on your lashes and you plan on having a long retention on your lashes, follow your Lash Tech's guidelines. Of course your lashes are going to fall out. You're using a hydrating cleanser which has oils. The oil penetrates inside of the adhesives, which makes them fall off. So please, please, please don't do this when it comes to your lashes. And Lash Techs, make it clear to your clients, because I made it clear to this girl. I have no idea what was going on, but something wasn't going through. So I guess I have to work on maybe my delivery style. Maybe I didn't make it clear enough. But yeah, that's some information that I wanted to give at the end of this video. I also want to say that I make these videos because I want to show you guys my journey becoming a lash tech. This is like an entrepreneurship journey that I've never embarked in. I love it so much. I want to grow from here. Like in the future, I see myself having like a lash studio, a spa, something along those lines, and I want to bring you guys along with me in this amazing journey, in the highs and the lows. Today was a high, but I'm feeling low because I don't feel like I did my best on the client that had the hybrid set, but it's okay. This is part of business. And yeah, if you enjoy this type of content, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss another upload. Until the next video, you guys.